Embrace the simplicity, traveling with less for more. Traveling is exhilarating. It broadens our horizons and creates memories. But sometimes the weight of our luggage can weigh us down, literally and figuratively. This is where minimalist travel comes in. It's about packing light and focusing on experiences. Imagine navigating bustling airports with ease, carrying only a small backpack. Imagine feeling the liberation of having less to pack, less to carry, and less to worry about. That's the beauty of minimalist travel. Minimalist travel allows you to be present in the moment. You're not bogged down by material possessions. Instead, you're open to new experiences and connections. It's about prioritizing what truly matters. You'll be surprised how little you actually need when you embrace minimalist travel. Traveling with less fosters a sense of freedom and spontaneity. You can easily change your plans on a whim. Discover hidden gems off the beaten path. Embrace the unexpected detours that often lead to the most memorable adventures. This sense of freedom extends beyond your physical luggage. Minimalist travel encourages you to be more adaptable and resourceful. You become a problem solver, learning to make do with less. This experience can be incredibly empowering and enriching. You realize that true happiness comes from experiences, not material possessions. It's about connecting with different cultures, exploring nature, and embracing the journey itself. The art of packing light, versatility, and essentialism. Packing light is an art form in minimalist travel. It's about choosing items that serve multiple purposes. Opt for versatile clothing pieces in neutral colors. These can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. A pair of comfortable walking shoes can take you from city streets to hiking trails. Layering your clothing is key for adapting to different climates. A light scarf can double as a sarong or a picnic blanket. The key is to think creatively and find multiple uses for each item you pack. Remember, less is more. Before you pack, make a list of essential items. Consider the activities you'll be doing and pack accordingly. Avoid overpacking just in case items. Chances are you won't need them. Packing cubes are a minimalist traveler's best friend. They help compress your clothing and keep your luggage organized. Choose lightweight luggage that is easy to carry and maneuver. A backpack or a small rolling suitcase is often sufficient for most trips. Digital detachment. Embrace technology for a lighter journey. Technology can be a minimalist traveler's best friend. Instead of carrying bulky guidebooks and maps, use your smartphone or tablet. Download travel apps for navigation, translation, and recommendations. Store your ebooks, music, and movies on your devices to save space. Scan important documents and keep digital copies in the cloud. This eliminates the need for carrying physical copies. Use online banking and payment systems to reduce the need for carrying large amounts of cash. Consider investing in a portable charger to keep your devices powered up on the go. Finding serenity, minimalist destinations for the soul. Certain destinations lend themselves particularly well to minimalist travel. These places offer a sense of tranquility and simplicity that complements the minimalist ethos. Rural Japan, with its traditional ryokans and serene temples, encourages a slower pace of life. Denmark's concept of hygge emphasizes coziness, contentment, and connection with loved ones. Iceland's breathtaking landscapes, from glaciers to volcanoes, provide a stunning backdrop for introspection and adventure. These destinations remind us that true luxury lies in simplicity and connection with nature. The joy of less, embracing experiences over possessions. Minimalist travel is about discovering the joy of less. It's about appreciating experiences over material possessions. By packing light and focusing on the essentials, you free yourself from the burden of stuff. You're able to fully immerse yourself in the present moment and connect with the world around you. Minimalist travel is a sustainable way to explore the planet. By consuming less and making conscious choices, you reduce your environmental impact. Minimalist travel is a journey of self-discovery. It teaches you to appreciate the simple things in life. It allows you to connect with yourself and the world around you on a deeper level. So, pack light, embrace the unknown, and discover the transformative power of minimalist travel. You'll be amazed at how much richer your experiences can be when you let go of the excess baggage.